I'm Aaron Waugh, NLP and Mind Skills trainer. If you're new here, consider subscribing and following us for more NLP and Mind Skills to help you get fast results. Are you continually at war with your loved ones? Do you want peace and harmony in your home life or at work? You know, values are things that stem from what we learn as children. And from that, we make decisions and judgments on what we think is either right or wrong. In any given situation, our values predicate an outcome of choice, whether that's good or bad. How you may treat people at work may not be the same as how you treat people at home or in other situations, and our values dictate why this occurs. Your values at home may be differently stacked to when you're at work. It's like the stack of blocks that we may have played with as children, that's constantly being added or removed as we change our mind about how they should look. For example, if you treat people at work with respect, why do you not do the same at home? You say to yourself that the stakes are much higher at work, but are they any different? The record shows that rate of divorce is now the highest we've ever seen. If our values are that different between these two locations, wouldn't you like to think that having the same values at home would be useful? We're all raised differently, and what we can teach our children is flexibility in the way they interact with others. This may go a long way to changing the rates of divorce, with many other great consequences. If you think you can, or you think you can't, you're absolutely right on both counts. In our 4-day course in October, we elicit your values stack and provide you tools and strategies on how you make your decisions, which can enable you to make quality decisions to create success and more love in your life. Subscribe and join us for more NLP and Mind Skills to create your future now and master your life.